on for our Sadaf. She's a champion who passed over here also. Our lady.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congratulations, set up.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Congratulations.
Congratulations.
Congrats.
Congratulations.
Now, okay, now I'll put all the microphones off. Sadaf, you put only your microphone on. Where are you, Sadaf?
I'm here. Yes, here.
Oh, just now you're in the other room. Just 1 second, let me get you here. Because
Yes. Here.
okay. Now say something. There you are.
Hello. Yeah.
Got you. All right, Sadaf. So how do you feel now? You Sadaf, remember Sadaf, let me introduce you. Sadaf, she's a wife of Jahazek, who's one of the people who also are collaborating. They both passed together to begin with. Sadaf also is a very hardworking lady. She does a lot of work. They're also shifting houses. They have 2 small children. Not an easy job, despite of everything. Still, she passed. I think with 1 error also, or 0
Yes.
error.
Yes.
1 error.
1
okay.
error.
Nath also passed with 1 error. So now you speak.
Okay.
So you'll be the motivation for the ladies.
Sure, sir. First of all, I would like to thank you for guiding me to this success. We both are truly grateful to have you as our teacher. A couple of things I would like to tell you. First of all, I wanted to tell everybody that what inspires me to learn from you to do the patente, because my husband is also taking lessons with the Sir Ambrish, and he used to always say to me that, oh, you should do it, you should start doing it, because eventually you have to do it one day. Why not now? And you'll pass quickly. He used to say always this, and I was just not responding very well to his request. But as he was taking lessons with Sir Ambrish, whenever I was in the room, I was listening to everything, and that inspires me a lot. The way Sir teaches this, the way he explains everything with so much dedication, with so much enthusiasm. I would say he's full of wisdom, and that inspires me so much. I told him, my husband, that I want to learn from him. I want to be a student of him, and I eventually started. And the journey was very long. It was full of it was hard, but because as sir mentioned, I'm a full-time mom, but I'm fortunate because I'm living with my mom. So whenever I was taking lessons, she was taking care of my kids, and I would lock myself in the room for those 60 minutes. I gave my 100% concentration on the class. I was all ears in the class. That helped me a lot. A couple of more things, that I used to keep 3 journals. First of all, I write rough notes while I was in the class. After the class, especially for us women, those 60 minutes are not enough. We have to dedicate more time after the class. Whenever the kids are in bed, whenever you find time, you take another journal and write down all the notes, write them all them neatly. That helped me a lot. And then another thing that I discovered very late, that I started making diagrams of everything, all the signali, everything with my own hands. I used to draw everything. That helped me so much. Other than that, I never took a class in a dark room. As sir say, he's always giving the secrets in the class. As he say that if you're sharp, you'll just catch the secrets. He's giving all the secrets in the class. There's nothing else than that. Never took a class in the dark room. Never took a lesson while cleaning, doing laundry, while cooking, or anything like that. I had all the printouts, the SPIA, all of them were on my desk always. I had them always there, and everything, all of these things that helped me a lot. Just one very funny thing that I remember, that when I started taking classes, I remember after a couple of days, a lady passed, and sir, you said that she used to remind me of the chapters and the time slabs. Now, who's gonna remind me from now on? And I raised my hand immediately, and I said, I'm gonna do it. And from that day, I was looking forward to this day, that she will tell everyone that Sadaf used to remind me, and now who's gonna do that? So if I did it, anyone can do it. Anyone can do it, literally. You just have to give your 100%. When I was taking class, I had my thumb ready on the raise hand option, always ready because I was eager to answer. I was eager to raise my hand for everything. And, Jahzeb used to call me that you're a teacher's pet. And I said, yes, I am, because I always imagine myself sitting right in front of you in the front bench. And I think that thing that just helped me pass quickly. And if I did, anyone can do it.
Very good tips you've given, Sadaf. Thanks a lot very much. And God bless you.
Thank you. Thank you, everyone.
Our journey is not over yet. We'll do a lot of things together. And
yes, sure will.